Hi, my name is William Trbovich. I'm the owner of Acur-it Auto Repair. So we work on most cars. We specialize in the Japanese and the Korean and the Asian cars. We do everything from soup to nuts. Anything that needs to be done, we will either do it ourselves or have a qualified person to recommend to you. So here at Acur-it Auto Repair, we have a great team. They work as a team together and can handle any problem. All our guys keep up with the technology. We like to send, I will send anybody to any school, anytime, on a minute's notice, because I believe in trained people that are the ones that are going to perform your service on your car at the minimum amount of time, which in that turn saves you a lot of money. I think the thing that differentiates us from our competition most of all is our experience. We have over 100 years of automotive experience combined here. And you know, what my saying always is that nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care. I opened this business or took over this business in 1996. It was a one-man shop at the time, and we've grown it over the years to now we have 5 technicians, support personnel up front, and have been operating here for all that time. So we cover most of the Bay Area, but sometimes we get customers that travel quite some distances to have their car serviced. The way we ensure quality is we have every car checked before it leaves here and road tested to make sure that it's performing to its capabilities. So customers are concerned about how long are they going to be without their car. So we perform same-day service over 98% of the time. And if it does get into an extra day, we have the loaner cars to back it up. Poor workmanship lingers long after the sweet sound of the low price is forgotten. So if you want quality work, give us a call.